1999 C43 Amg. I've owned it since it had 131,000 miles on it. It does have a set of square stock monoblocks, 17 by 8.5 front and rear. That way you can rotate the tires. Hey, the rust spots. Honestly, they're not too bad. This is the worst spot. It's this door, but nothing's pushing through. Good grind and a repaint, or honestly just find a white door. These are a dime a dozen. Just a base stage white, not even metallic. Does have 2005 to 2007 C230K sport calipers, as those are cheaper to run the rotors on than the stock C43 calipers. I still have them if you want the stock ones, but I honestly prefer the Brembos over the stock, and the rotor's the same size. Bumper is a little loose right here. It's in there. It just needs the clip tightened up. Hood is the other bad spot. This is an R-dot hood. It was on here when I got it. It's just gotten worse over time. Once again, probably easier just to find a replacement hood that's white from a junkyard. Do not have the front strip. As you know, they get lost. But bumper is good. That is the only crack right there. Everywhere else is good. And good luck trying to find another C43 bumper with fog lights. This side, very clean. Tiny little speck of rust here. Do have a dent here in the fender. That can probably be pulled out. That would be my recommendation on that, but honestly it's not bad. A little surface rust down here at the bottom and over here. Zimmerman rotors, Ikebana pads, front and rear, only the good stuff for here. Scrape here, hit by a deer. That completes, oh, and there's a spot there on the trunk. R-dot, once again from when I bought it. G tips. Interior held up remarkably well. I did change out the wood trim for the carbon fiber, or the sport look. I much prefer the sport look over the wood trim. I got it, all of it. Here's the Tuxedo. Headliner. Now, if you own a German car, you're familiar with the headliners. I do have a roll of stock headliner material. If you choose, you can take it with you, or you can do the repair yourself, or take it to a headliner shop. Back seats, it's dirty. It cleans up really nice. It's honestly been a daily driver for a long time. Still sounds amazing. Does get an SRS light from the passenger sensor. Heated seats work still. Tow thing, power locks work. The headliner, or the headrest dumpers. Turn the ESP off. Does have a bulb out warning for the front, or no, it doesn't. Yeah, for the front right marker. Hood works. It does have a lock in here. Something got down into, or it cannot shift into 4, 3, 2, or 1 manually, but drive and everything works. This can be taken apart and cleaned out, or you can just swap these modules. Trunk release works. Mirrors work. Windows work. That window is off track. It stays up, but it's gonna need a regulator. Sunroof. Home link. Let's go under the hood. Tires are shot. See how bad the hood is. Had a lot of maintenance done. She is due for the valve covers again. They were last done at 160,000 miles, 160, 170. So normally they're good for about every 30,000 miles or so, but it's only had factory parts. As you can see, yeah, she really needs it. But wires, plugs, everything was done at around 160. And that's it. It'll make a really good daily driver, beater, lemons car, whatever. 340 horsepower. Somebody enjoy it.